Hey guys, I'm posting this video up for those of you who have read the Facebook note about the new photography game that I mentioned. This video is basically going to go over as a how to basically what the game is, what the rules are, how to post your pictures, how to join the group online, all that kind of stuff that you're going to need to do to play. This video is going to go through it and walk you through it real simple, real easy. So take a couple minutes, give it a watch, and you should be all set. Okay, so first of all, what is the game? Basically, it's a way for photographers to collaborate, to expand their creativity, and to take more pictures. The general idea is everyone submits a word. Each photographer who's playing submits a word, and then I take all the words and make a big list out of them, and it'll just have every single person's word, and it'll also have a date next to each word. So you go out on the date for that word, and the dates will all be consecutive, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and it'll just keep going. And you go out for that day, take that word, use it as your inspiration, and you take a picture. You come home, you edit it if you want to. If not, you just go up, you post it onto the group so that everyone can see it, and everyone else does the same thing. And we do this day after day after day until we finish the list. It's really that simple. Now, the interesting thing about this is you're going to get to see not only how your photography went along that entire list of words, but also the differences between your photography and other people's. Based on where they were, how much time they had to take a picture, what they were thinking of, what mood they were in, you're going to get to see a lot of different work from a lot of different people. So hopefully that's going to give you new ideas, give other people new ideas, and it just kind of shows the differentiation between each photographer and each artist. So I thought that was an interesting thing to do and an interesting project, and it also makes a really fun game. So that's basically the whole idea and what the purpose is. Alright, next thing. If we're going to be doing this game, then we need some name that we can commonly refer to it as. So I figured out this. Interpretography. Basically, you take interpret, you take photography, we're interpreting the words, we're taking pictures of them, blah, blah, blah. It makes sense. Okay? Okay, so now let me walk you through basically how to set up an account, how joining the group is going to work, how posting your pictures is going to work, and basic rules of the game. Alright, so first off we've got the Flickr webpage, just flickr.com. Head over there and look in the right hand corner, you'll see the create your account button and the sign in button. If you don't already have an account, just click on that create your account button, sign, and go through the process. It's really simple, and if you do have an account, then just sign in. Now once you're on your Flickr page, let's say it's your first time going there, I totally understand. You should explore for a little bit, check out your toolbar, check out some of the menus, just play with stuff. And you can also go straight into uploading photos. Once you've checked out the Flickr page, you want to go to the Interpretography webpage, and all you got to do to get there is go and type in flickr.com/groups/interpretography, and it'll take you to the home page. And you're just going to look for that button up on the right that says join this group, and go ahead and click on that. And what that's going to do is it's going to bring you to the rules page, and you just want to read through the rules, and then you want to click on the agree button, and it's going to put your name in a queue for me to approve, blah blah blah, and I'll probably approve it in the next day or two. Now you're going to head back to Facebook after it's been approved, and you can send me a message and let me know that it has been. But afterwards I'm going to send out a message on Facebook, so you're going to go ahead and go to your inbox, and there'll be a message like Interpretography Game 1 or something like that. Alright, now the Facebook message is going to be pretty simple. All it's going to ask for is your word for the game that you want to put into the list, confirmation that you do want to play, and it's going to have the date that the game's going to start. And basically that means the date that I'm going to post up the list on Flickr. So all you got to do is put your word in, let me know that you want to play, and write down the date on a calendar. Now, once you've confirmed, basically how I'm going to do it is I'm going to post the list in a discussion on Flickr. So you can go and see the list with all the dates with it and just follow along with that. Alright, now you guys who know Flickr are going to know all the stuff I'm about to go over, but stick around for the rest of the video anyway, because there's some other stuff I want to tell you about. The next thing you're going to do is head back to the Flickr Interpretography webpage, and you're going to look for the discussions button, and it's right here. You go ahead and click on the discussions button, and it'll take you to a list of all the discussions. I made a test one just so you can see. You basically click on the discussion, and it'll have a full list. This one's a test, but it'll have a full list of all the words and the dates that you use. Now we're going to use this from here on out as a guide for our game on which words you're going to use for which day to take a picture. Now, for those of you who don't know how to upload photos, you just go to your home page. you find the Upload Photos and Video button. Just click on that, and then where it says Choose Photos and Videos, you click. It shows which photos you have. You select your photo. Pretty simple. Click OK, and then it's going to show it uploading, and once it's done, it's going to ask you to add a description. Now this is where you can change the title and stuff. See, here's what it'll look like, and then here's where you can change the title. Now I changed my title on this one. I changed it where test is. That's basically what the word of the day would be, the date for that day, and then my name. You can do something like that. Now what I really hope you all do is put tags there. I've got Interpretography, my name, the name for the word of that day, and the game that it's going to be going on in. And this just basically helps people search and find your photos so people can see them. Alright, now let me just say one more time. Please, 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 I really hope you guys will tag your photos. It takes 2 seconds. When you're changing the description, it's like right down there underneath it. And you just add Interpretography, you add your name, and you add the word for that day. Separate them by commas, makes it really easy. It takes a minute, and it'll help everyone to find your photos if they need to go and search for them. Alright? Alright. Next, I'm going to show you how to upload a photo to the group. You basically go to the Flickr group page, and you're going to find the Add Photos button. Just give that a click, and it'll open up a little thing of all your photos. Now you'll see here that the one that I uploaded as a test photo is right there. So I'm just going to click on that, drag it over to this box over here, and then click Add to Group. Now once I do that, I'm done. It's in the pool, and you basically just repeat this process each day when you take a photo. It's that simple. Alright, so that's basically it. I hope the video answered any questions you guys have. I hope it was easy, simple to follow along. And then obviously after the game, when we finish the list, we'll start a new discussion for a new game, and we'll do it all over again. And then if there's anything you guys want to do, like a slideshow or anything like that, you can let me know and we can throw one together. That's pretty much it. Let's get started.